Applying for permanent residency or PR in Japan is a goal for many long-term residents who wish to stay indefinitely. The process can be complex, but with proper documentation and understanding of the requirements, it's manageable. Here's a step-by-step guide with details. First, meet the eligibility requirements. Before applying, ensure you meet the following conditions. You must have lived in Japan for at least 10 consecutive years under a valid visa. Exceptions. If you are married to a Japanese national or permanent resident, you can apply after 1 to 5 years. High-skilled professionals may be eligible after 1 to 3 years under the highly skilled foreign professional visa. Visa status. You must hold a long-term visa like a working spouse or highly skilled professional visa. Tourist visas and short-term visas do not count. Good conduct. You should have no criminal record or violations of Japanese law, including unpaid taxes or health insurance contributions. Stable income. You need a stable source of income to support yourself and your dependents in Japan. Tax and Social Security compliance. Ensure you are paying all your taxes and Social Security contributions, including health insurance and pension. Next, prepare the required documents. Standard required documents for all applicants include the Permanent Residency Application Form, or Yongju Shuke Shenqing Shu, Aiju Kyoka Shinseisho. This is the official application form. Passport and residence card, original passport and Zairyu card with copies of both. One photo, 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters. A passport-style photograph taken within the last 3 months. Statement of reasons. A letter explaining why you want permanent residency in Japanese. Proof of income. Tax certificates from the city office showing your income and tax payments for the past 3 years, called Kazi Shomeisho and Noze Shomeisho. Residence certificate, or Juminyo. This shows your current address and family information. Certificate of employment, or Zaije Zhengming Shu Zaiseki Shomeisho, proof of your current job and income. Proof of national health insurance and pension payments. Receipts or certificates confirming you've paid your insurance and pension contributions. Guarantor, a Japanese national or permanent resident who can vouch for you and submit their documents, such as tax certificates and residence certificate. Additional documents, if applicable, include marriage certificate, if married to a Japanese national or permanent resident. Birth certificates of children, if applying for PR with family members. Special visa requirements. If applying through the highly skilled professional visa, you'll need proof of your skills or work achievements, such as publications, patents, and awards. Finally, submit your application. Applications must be submitted in person at your local immigration bureau or Churuguo Zai Liu Guan Li Ju, Shutsunyukoku Zairyu Kanrikyoku. Find your nearest immigration bureau and take all required documents. There's no application fee for permanent residency. Immigration staff will review your application and they might request additional documents if necessary. Wait for approval. The processing time for a permanent residency application can range from 6 months to 1 year or even longer. During this period, the Immigration Bureau may contact you for further information or documents. You will continue to renew your current visa while waiting for your PR application to be approved. Receive approval. Once your application is approved, you'll receive notification from the Immigration Bureau. You'll need to visit the office again to update your status. Your residence card will be updated to show permanent resident or Yongjuje Eijusha. You no longer need to renew your visa, but you must still renew your residence card every 7 years and notify the government if you change addresses. Sample Statement of Reasons, or Ryusho. This document is crucial to explaining why you want to obtain permanent residency in Japan. Here's a simple template in both English and Japanese. English sample, date to whom it may concern. I am writing to apply for permanent residency in Japan. I have been living and working in Japan for the past number of years and have thoroughly enjoyed my time in this country. I have integrated into Japanese society and have developed a strong connection with the culture and people. I have maintained stable employment at company name as a job title, and I fulfill all tax, pension and health insurance obligations. I also have a clean legal record. I would like to continue contributing to Japanese society and raising my family here. Therefore, I respectfully request that you grant me permanent residency status in Japan. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, your name. Japanese sample. Rifu. Churu guo zai liu guan li ju yu jong si hariben ni yong. Ju quan washin ching itashimasu. Si hagwo ko nyan shu nyan jan, riben de shenghuo shi, dong itekimashita. Konoguo denu shenghuo wafei chang nele shindeori riben no shehui ni rong kiet mi riben no wen hua yaren tochiang iban woju itekimashita. Si hahui shiming de ji yaming toshitian ding shitagu yang wosoke. Shuai jin nian jin jian kang bao sia no iwu wakwan teguo tashi teorimasu. Mata fansuili morimasu. Kore kara mori ben shihui ni gong sian shai. Jea zu totomoni konoguo de shenghuo shiteki tai tokao eteorimasu. Sukimashite ha siniri ben no yong ju kwan woshu. Keishi te itadakimasu oyuan ishinshi shangimasu oshijian wo itadaki arigatou gozaimasu jingju anatano mingjian. Key points. Ensure you've fulfilled all tax, pension and social security obligations, as the Immigration Bureau checks these thoroughly. Having a good guarantor strengthens your application. If you're unsure about any part of the process, you can consult with immigration lawyers or services specialized in assisting foreigners with residency applications. This process allows you to live permanently in Japan without renewing your visa, but keep in mind that Japan does not allow dual citizenship, so PR is the closest status you can get to being a citizen.